Today, we're going to show you how to replace a rear blinker on a Dodge Ram. Other than looking at the back of the truck to see if the blinker is out, one way to check is by looking at the blinker system. As you can see, the left blinker is working fine and it's blinking at the correct rate. However, our right side is blinking exceptionally faster than usual, indicating that one of the lights is burned out. To access the rear blinker, you'll need to drop the tailgate and unscrew two screws that hold in the light fixture. With the screws removed, we can now pull out the tail light. You want to be very careful in pulling it out, as there are two clips that this light is attached to. Once those clips are free, we can access the light bulb that we're trying to replace. As you can see, it's right here. We're just going to rotate it counterclockwise and it'll pop right out. To remove this bulb, simply grab it and pull it straight out of the socket. As you can see, it's a little bit burnt. It's time to replace it. The bulb that we'll be using to replace it is the Slovenia Long Life 3157 bulb. Inserting the new bulb is super simple. Take the bulb and press it directly into the socket. It will click, indicating that it has locked into place. When putting the bulb back into the taillight housing, make sure you put it back in and then rotate it clockwise until it locks into place and it is secured. With the bulb now secured inside of the housing, we can begin to put our light back onto the truck. So we're going to push it into those clips, and once those clips have locked, we can go ahead, grab our screws, and reinsert them in so our light fixture will be securely fastened to the body of the truck. Now time for a quick test. We see our blinker is working just fine and it is lighting up bright. And as you can see on our dash, our blinker is now back to the regular pace as it should be. And that is how you change a blinker on a Dodge Ram. Thanks for watching.